Hey, how's it going? How are you doing? These are common greetings you can start using right now to improve your daily spoken English. Here are another 30 great short English sentences with alternatives. What's on your mind? What are you thinking about? You're showing interest in what another person is thinking. A great way to start a conversation. Do you have any plans for today? What are you up to today? You want to know about a person's schedule. You can have a conversation or schedule a meeting together. What's happening this weekend? Any plans for this weekend? You could be just asking as a conversation starter or asking about a person's weekend plans and if they'd like to meet. Are you busy? Are you free to chat? Do you have a moment to talk? You want to have a short conversation. It could be personal or professional. Do you want to get together? Do you want to hang out? This is an invitation to spend time together. And as we're spending time together, I'm Roy, an English language coach helping you be a professional and confident English speaker. If you're finding this video helpful, please consider subscribing, and if you're already pressing all these nice buttons, a like will be highly appreciated. You're joking. Are you serious? This is a response to someone saying something that seems unbelievable, surprising, or ridiculous, depending on the context. How's your work day looking? How's your work going? You can use this at work or with your partner. In a work setting, this shows friendship. With your partner, it shows concern. Want to grab a bite to eat? Do you want to go eat something? A light and informal suggestion to go munch on something preferably delicious and hopefully satisfying. Would you like to grab a coffee? Do you want to get a coffee? This one could be extremely difficult to comprehend before your first coffee. I'd use this question in relation to a second or even third cup. I'm kidding. You don't need to ask this question. You just say, coffee? What are you up to? What are you doing? Well, if you need to ask this one, you are really bored, or you want to annoy someone, or you could be really interested. Come on, you're bored. Could you give me a lift? Can you give me a ride? A really nice way to ask for someone's help getting to your destination. You need anything? You need any help? Could be used as a general offer to help without the person acknowledging the question, or you are offering to provide real assistance. What do you feel like doing? What do you want to do? An open-ended question checking for preferences. Movie, restaurant, skydiving. Want to meet up afterwards? Want to get together afterwards? You're asking to schedule a meeting later on. Do you want to do dinner this week? Do you want to grab dinner this week? A suggestion to meet for dinner, but choose a good place, okay? Not like last time. What's eating you? What's the matter? You're checking on a person's feelings or emotions, usually after you notice a difference in their behavior, like anger or frustration. Do you have a minute? Can I talk to you for a sec? You want to have a quick conversation, and then the conversation lasts for an hour and you get nothing done. What happens to everyone? All the time. Long time no see. Been a minute since I saw you. A greeting after a long period of time when you haven't seen someone. Call me back when you get the chance. Give me a call when you can. You're requesting a phone call whenever the person is free and can call back. On my way. Heading out now. Letting someone know that you're leaving and on your way to meet them. Be right back. Back in a sec. You're informing someone that you'll be back shortly. But you're not, are you? I'm just popping out. Running out for a bit. Letting someone know that you're leaving for a short period of time. Oh, damn it, it's on the tip of my tongue. I know this one. Just need to remember. Trying to remember something that you almost have it. Then you remember it 2 days later when it doesn't matter anymore. Oh, it's been one of those days. It's just been one thing after another. Describing a difficult, annoying, or frustrating day. Thanks a million. Thanks a lot. A nice way to express gratitude for something someone has done for you. Don't stress. Relax. You want to calm things down and make things a bit more manageable. What topics do you struggle to express? Let me know in the comments. All good. Can't complain. Everything's fine. Everything is going well. You're content. Maybe even happy. I see where you're coming from. I understand what you mean. Acknowledging someone's perspective on a specific topic. I can't think straight. I'm so overwhelmed. You're having trouble focusing or thinking clearly. Just let it go. Don't worry about it anymore. Encouraging to move on from a situation and not think about it too much. Jump to this video to learn more. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.